raining, kind of crazy. Rain or shine, Golden County Treasures run. You'll see the waterfall behind me here. We're running in the rain. It's actually not too bad.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe to my channel, Goku Runner. And also, if you have time, check out my friend's channel, 2015, the year I got the run. It's a great channel all about his journey to becoming a runner. He gives lots of tips, and he's pretty inspirational. You can also find all the links to the channels in the description below. Happy running, y'all!